Hello children, welcome to my channel Start Read Win. In this video we are going to see Class 4 Science unit-2 Life of Animals term-3 part-3 video. This is the continuation of Life of Animals. Let us see next topic. Some more examples of adaptation are given below. So first they are given tiger and zebras have lines so they can hide themselves. So they have lines so that if suppose there are some rocks or trees, when they hide it will be like really okay, it will hide themselves from the enemy gangs. Okay, camel have broad foot to walk in the desert. So the sand will be so thick, right? So we cannot walk on that in barefoot, like human beings we cannot. So it has some special unique character, like it has broad feet so that it can easily walk in the desert region. Fish have gills to breathe in the water and fins to swim. So it is a unique character of fish. So they will breathe through gills. We human beings breathe through our nose. Okay, and fins means which is small wing like structure which is used for them to swim in water. Next one, elephant have long and large trunk to get their food in the forest. So if it is in the height means they can use their large trunk to get that food. Okay, so it will be useful for them when they are living in the forest. So these are the some adaptation they have done to live in the particular environment. These are the three basic adaptation seen in animals. Okay, so they have given some adaptations which are done by the animals. First one, structural adaptation. Changes in the physical feature of the animal are called structural adaptation. Physical means in the parts of the body. Okay. Example, polar bears living in cold climate have physical adaptation such as thick fur and short ears to reduce heat loss. So they have that kind. Okay, because of the thick fur they can withstand more cold, and if the ears are very short, the heat consumed by your body or through external environment it will be low, so it is adapted to that environment. Second one, physiological adaptation. Changes in the function of the animal's body are called physiological adaptation. Example, dog shivers to generate more heat when it is cold and pants when it is hot. So shivers means it will shake its body so that it gets more heat, and it will pant. Pants means dog cannot have the capacity to sweat, so they will do this thing to uh, release water from their lungs and nose. Third one, behavioral adaptation. Changes in the activity of the animals are behavioral adaptation. Example, birds migrate to avoid adverse condition. So in particular place, if there is too hot, they will move to the place where it is very cold and suitable for breeding. Okay, then again after breeding, after the small ones comes out, they again travel to their old place. So this is how they change their place when it is adverse, means very bad in one place where they live. Do you know porcupines have thorns on their body to fight against their enemies? So thorns means there will be sharp object which is used to protect them from their enemies. Alligators have sensitive skin which can feel even small vibrations in water. So if we throw any small objects, it can sense it very easily. Though so the skin have that much of so much sensitivity towards what's happening around them. So it will help them to get their prey very easily. Structure of insects. So the the body parts of insects, how it will be, what are the parts it has in their body, we are going to see in this topic. Insects have three main body regions. Okay, so they have three main regions. They are head, thorax, and the abdomen. So, what are they? Head, thorax, and abdomen. All parts of the insects are inside an exoskeleton. So, exoskeleton means there will be skeleton like structure. Inside that, all the parts will be arranged. First one, head. So see the picture, they have highlighted with three colors. So the yellow part is called head region, the blue part is called thorax, and the green color part is called abdomen. Okay, head, the main visible part of the head are the large compound eyes. So the first visible part in head is the compound eyes. The eyes will be very big. The antenna is the feelers part. The feelers means they can sense what is around them. And the mouth part, so the mouth for which they eat. Next, thorax. The thorax is the middle region of the body. So the thorax will be in between the head and the abdomen. It bears three pairs of legs and two pairs of wings. So in this region only it has their legs. Okay, how many pairs it has? Three pairs. So totally 6 legs it will have, and two pairs of wings. So one pair means two. Okay, so totally it has 4 wings in them. Next, abdomen. The abdomen is the last part of the insect's body. Okay, it is the last part. Abdomen of most of the insects have clear segmentation. Segmentation means it will be divided. The lines will be seen. Okay. Insects have differences in structures like wings, legs, antenna, and mouth part. So the above we seen is the main parts. Okay, in that the legs. Okay, we said right it has 3 pairs of legs. So that may change for some other insects, and legs may be different. Okay, antenna will be 2 for some. Some will have 4. Okay, some short one, some long one, like that. And mouth also will differ. The legs are modified for walking, jumping, digging, or swimming. So based on the type of insects, whether they are walking means they have more stronger legs, whether they are jumping, for that type of legs will be there, and for digging means they should have strong and type structures to dig that. So depending on their situation, they will have different parts in their body. Most of the insects have wings which can be folded flat over their body. So that wings can be folded and they kept it in their body, right? So then when they want to fly, they will open that one and they will start flying. Example, bug. They are some insects which cannot fold their wings. So some insects cannot fold also. They will be as it is when they fly, and they will use that. Example, dragonfly. Okay, so bug will close their wings when it is not required, but a dragonfly could not. See the picture given below. The first one is bug. Okay, it is folding its wings. The second one is dragonfly. It could not fold their wings. Some insects are wingless. Example, silverfish. So the third picture, that one does not have wings also. So their body parts change depending on their conditions. Let us see, do you know? The compound eyes of insects are made up of small units called ommatidia. Okay, so it is made of a compound called ommatidia. Okay, it is a small units. Okay, next let us see the activity. Fill in the missing words. So according to what they given above, we have to fill this one. Butterfly has 3 body parts like all other insects, the dash, and the dash. The butterfly has 4 dash and 6 legs attached to the thorax. Butterfly uses its 2 dash to smell. So the answer is butterfly has 3 body parts like all other insects. The head, the thorax and the abdomen. The butterfly has 4 wings and 6 legs attached to the thorax. Butterfly uses its 2 antenna to smell. Thank you children. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.